What are some simple things that you could be doing every day as a growing entrepreneur that allows you to be successful in your business, yet also enjoy your life through the process? You don't have to have a hustle mindset, early mornings, late nights, and dread the process. You can thrive as an entrepreneur, thrive in your business, and still enjoy the life in between the now and where you want to be. So let's get into micro habits that you are going to want to implement in your life right now so that you can become successful and enjoy the process. Growing as a successful entrepreneur in your business, but also in your life. Hello, it's Shanique here, the Cleaning Authority Boss, helping you new and inspiring entrepreneurs start and grow your business. So if you want to learn everything sales, marketing, and productivity, then be sure to subscribe. Well, with an addition of entrepreneur lifestyle, helping you start and grow your cleaning business, but also business in general, so that you are well paid and well respected while enjoying life in the process of achieving your greatest success. Let's get into these micro habits. And the first one is reading, having educational, knowledgeable content that you're consuming on a daily basis is going to strengthen your mind and give you the knowledge, the confidence to become the best during your entrepreneurial journey. I personally read at least 10 pages a day or listen to at least 30 minutes of an audiobook or educational, inspiring podcast. I believe this helps challenge you mentally as well as providing you knowledge that these non-fictional books will help you with. If you want to check the link in my bio, I have an Amazon storefront of all the books I highly suggest for a self-help, self-empowerment journey, as well as informational books that will help with your business knowledge, selling, marketing, and productivity. I completely highly suggest that you're always consuming information that help you grow internally, especially for those times when you have your down moments and your up moments. Reading books, especially from those that you want to emulate, you will see the truth of their life, knowing that you are not alone, as well as tips, tricks, and advice to get over these humps so that you're more confident and you learn faster on how to overcome these areas of being an entrepreneur. Next micro habit is daily tracking, documenting your life. And within business, that's documenting your journey, your processes, as well as your improvements, as well as growth, losses, anything in your business that you can document, you want to be documenting it. How you do certain things in your business, what works, what's not working in your business. That's going to help you analyze what should be tweaked so that you can become more successful. What's not tracked, you cannot fix. So having documentations of your business is going to help. In addition to that, documenting your life. So at the end of the day, writing down what was most successful, what you most love about the day, what made you happy about the day, is going to also give you the perspective that even throughout this journey, there's so much things to be thankful for. Every morning, I've started my 60 days to finding what I love about life. I come to realize that it's not really the money or the achievements, but what money can provide and the little things in life that you want to cherish throughout your journey. It doesn't mean you want to settle for what you have, but you enjoy what you have as you open up the opportunity for more. Your next habit that you want to do on a daily basis, and it may be difficult, is to protect your peace. Like, becoming an entrepreneur has its stresses already, and you don't want to have things or people in your life that make it even more difficult. So what I do is that I actually analyze who should be in my life and who I shouldn't. This may be difficult for someone who possibly is a people pleaser and wanting to please everyone else or wanting to be loved. But trust me, if you love yourself, you're not going to tolerate circumstances or people that's going to bring anxiety, fear, hate, doubt, jealousy, envy in your life. The moment you kind of have a instance of these things in your life, you need to cut it off, remove yourself. And you could do it in a respectful way. It doesn't have to be messy, but in order for you to be able to enjoy this process, be sure to cut off what doesn't bring peace, joy in your life. Your next micro habit is to fail fast and learn the lesson faster. new entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs growing, especially if you are moving into a different realm or level of your entrepreneur journey or business journey, you can still feel like you're starting something new and you don't want to fail. Realistically, not everything is going to stick. It does help to have like reading and having some kind of support that you can learn from to be able to avoid as much mistakes. But to understand, you just need to go through what you need to go through. If that means failing on the way, most importantly, it's learning the lesson faster so that you don't repeat the failure and you are able to get to your destination faster. Your next micro habit, I would say a huge suggestion overall, is to be always learning from someone who is where you want to be. Typically, what I mean by that is you want to have some sort of mentor or coach in your background, backing you up. I don't believe any major successful longevity business owner has been successful without learning from someone greater than them. So I highly recommend to find yourself a coach, to invest in yourself and your business and your knowledge. I've invested over $40,000 in coaching through my career on YouTube, from social media coaching, from Instagram coaching, from selling coaching to now cleaning business coaching. I've always seen it valuable to invest in people to learn from. I believe it saves me so much time to have to piece together information on YouTube. Learning from too many people just becomes very confusing. I find someone who I want to emulate and I pay for their time. So I highly suggest that you find a mentor. And if you do want mentorship or coaching, you could definitely book a one-on-one with me should you want me to be your coach. And you could also check out the all-in-one cleaning business growth guide that provides you with a full start to finish on how to start your cleaning business. In addition to that, having private Discord group mentorship within our Discord group. So check out that in the description box down below. Your next habit as an entrepreneur that you definitely need in order for you to grow your income is to focus on income generating tasks. I think that it's very easy to be distracted with tasks that don't actually produce income. So yes, creating a post on Instagram, for example, creating graphics for your Instagram post can eventually provide income, but what is providing immediate income now? What can produce income faster? So instead of taking hours on the color and the font that your Instagram post can possibly attract leads, how about you go to your follow-up list and call people immediately, or call business immediately to introduce yourself, to possibly introduce your services. Those are more income generating tasks that immediately sell your services. I believe at least 1/3 to 2/3 of your daily tasks should be immediate income generating tasks. Other than that, then you can worry about processes or training a team. Those things are great, but your team needs clients in order for them to do what they need to do. So finding clients, getting in front of clients is the most important task that you need to be doing. Huge habit I highly suggest you to be incorporating right now in order for you to be enjoying more of your life is leveraging. Wherever you can save yourself time, buy back your time, do so. So as you're growing, you want to understand how you can leverage your money to reinvest so that you can free up your time. A lot of people think that the most valuable thing in life is money, but realistically, you could have $2 million in the bank account, but the doctor says you have 2 weeks to live. I highly believe if that doctor said, but we have a special pill that if you pay $2 million, you will win back 20 years back to your life. Who will not empty out their bank account to buy yourself 20 more years? Right? So it is so valuable to leverage your money to make you have more time, which essentially is more freedom in life, and that brings more joy. So wherever you can save time, whether that is getting a team, whether that is hiring out your, VA things of that nature, or automated systems. Now that there's AI, everything, that helps so much. I always say like AI is the entrepreneur's best friend, especially a solo entrepreneur, because there's so many AI generated softwares that will make your life easier with automated posts or automated like messages and responses, things like that. Find a way where you can invest wisely to be able to save you time in your business. Next, learn how to control your emotions. Whether you're a female or male, emotions is still a human thing. And I think that especially when there's ups and downs in the entrepreneur journey, whether you're having amazing results or then you have a rock bottom experience, being able to control it, understand that if you cannot control the situation, or if you cannot control it, don't make it control your emotions. If you can't do anything about it, find a way to move through it. And I think this is something that I personally always have to fight with. And I always tell myself, I have a saying that when something goes bad, I always say 10 days from now, I'm probably not going to be consumed about this. So get over it now. When it comes to my health, that means that, okay, if I can do something about it, what do I need to do? Go to the doctor, take the medicine. Or if it's something that I possibly have to do something to improve it, then just do it. Moping on it is not going to fix it. It's actually just going to slow down your mental. You're going to be focused on the negative. You're going to be tracking the negative. I know that at some situations, there's time to grieve, 100%. But if it's like, for me, for example, my car broke down, I'm not going to boo-hoo about it because life still has to go on. I still have a business to run nonetheless. So in 10 days from now, I would have figured it out. So just get over and figure it out now, right? So really being able to control your emotion. I think that what one of my coach has told me. If you guys don't know, I work with my coach is Home Service Academy. If you do want to check out, for those of you in America and Canada who are starting or growing their cleaning business, it's helped me reach multiple 4-figure months since joining them. So you could check out if you want the free training on how to kind of work with them too. But my coach always told me, she's amazing, that whenever I had my funky days, it's like we need to understand that business is business, and there's certain parts of business that's just going to happen, and we need to detach ourselves from it being a personal issue, and it's just a business issue. And that may sound so simple, but the first 4 years of my business, I think that really blew up and slowed down my process because I took everything personal and didn't separate from business. So being able to control your emotions and understand that you as an individual does not per se represent the business. Like if the business is bad, doesn't mean that you're bad. Okay, if something went wrong, doesn't mean that you are wrong. And to be able to channel a business-minded mindset and figure out, okay, this is just a problem to solve. That's what it is. So that's my micromanagement for you in that mental space. Next, network. Find any way to get in front of people, just to get to know them, and not always have the end goal of how do I sell to them, but essentially you want to be able to figure out how you can help them. And when someone's helped, they feel obligated to help back. And people feel that they're being helped, they want to reciprocate that back. So that's like the reciprocation law. And I highly recommend to network, because when you help people, you also feel better. That's also going to help you enjoy your life in the process, because not only are you working towards your goal, you're helping other people achieve their goal, and that brings fulfillment within you, as well as you see that you're impacting the people around you. So networking and finding ways to help other people will bring fulfillment to you, but by law, people are going to feel obligated and want to help you back, which helps the growth of your business and life. There you go. Those are micro habits or habits that I highly suggest you be implementing in your business, your entrepreneur journey right now, so that not only are you growing successfully in your businesses, but you are also growing successfully in life, so you feel fulfilled and feel purpose during the journey of your business entrepreneur lives. Thank you so much for watching this video. I see you in my next video.